Yeah, if you see ore running up it, you know.
Tony.
Why are you panning?
I'm done with that bucket.
No shit.
Yeah.
What'd you find in the little pan?
The little pan.
Yeah, the finished pan that's in back.
That's what I'm doing right now. Is that okay? Did I miss this?
Just empty out the water. Just empty
I'm
out.
just amazed that it ran that fast. Were you amazed? Might help if you come over here. You don't want to go in there. You had it way down already. You should get this. Reach in there, pick out all the marble bullshit, and then work it down.
Okay.
When you get it like that, just look at it under the light. If there's anything there, it'll pop. Well, you already know there's that little purple one in there.
Is this one green?
Let me see.
Oh, that's just a rock.
Some of those little.
Oh, is this something?
I think I was looking at that one at one time. Hold on. There's that little purple one. There it is.
Oh.
Pretty cool. Well, Gold Genie works for freaking gems too. Here, take that. I'll take that one out of there. You pan down the.
It's right there, right in the middle.
There it is. Check. Pretty cool.